Well, I went to school with Angela in high school, and we were not in regular contact, but we are linked on Facebook, so I kept seeing her updates regarding the clients that she's been helping, so I wanted to definitely see if she could help us. Well, we had our mortgage through a major bank, and when we were approached to renew with them, I just wasn't happy with, they weren't answering my questions. So when I was talking to Angela's team, they always answered all my questions quickly, so I liked that. So I contacted Angela, and her team requested all the information, so I sent them all the information we needed, and everything was always prompt communication. I like to do over email, and they were good with that. I was really happy. They were just always quick, gave clear explanations, and I had a lot of questions, and they never brushed me off. They just always answered my questions, even if I asked them a couple times. Yes, so our house is nice 1980s bi-level, and it's never really been updated other than when we did our flooring when we first moved in. So we were able to access our equity by getting a home appraisal, which Angela's team set up for us, and we were happy with the figures that we got, and now we're doing our renovations right now. And we were able to actually pay off our debt. We had a high vehicle loan that we paid off, so now we've got extra cash flow, and we are able to do our renovations, and our mortgage payment is only about $40 more than it was before.